So here I am at Kaylees again, and because it's a nice day out, they actually brought the cars back. Here's an old Valiant, looking nice. And then here go the old school Grand Prix. And if you know me, you know I am a Pontiac lover. I still feel Pontiac is one of the best brand cars that was ever made. Pontiac was actually the first car I had too. Oh, that bad boy is clean. Now this one I've never heard of, a console. Bam. Now I will say this, if you're a car person like me, you're going to love South Africa. I wish I had got it on tape the other day. There was a McLaren driving next to me. '72 Grand Prix, 400 cubic engine, V8. Only 45,000 kilometers. Oh, that bad boy is clean. Beautiful car. Just pan out, get them, bam.